how to hide likes on Threads. All you have to do is to go here directly to your Threads application, right? Now it will lead you to your homepage, basically your feed or Threads area. So here, since we want to hide the likes on Threads, then on the bottom part you will see 5 different options there, right? Now I want you to tap on your profile icon here, and it will lead you to your profile area, basically where you can see your very own threads, your very own replies. And here on the upper right, you will see upper left rather, you will see a globe icon there. Tap on that, and here you will be led to your privacy. Under privacy, I want you to focus on the very last option there. You will see hide likes there. Now, if you tap on hide likes, it will redirect you to your Instagram account. Now, it actually means that your Instagram and your threads are actually merged together. So if you hide likes here, if you toggle on hide likes, so this setting also applies on threads. So basically you will be hiding likes from both your Instagram account and your Threads account. And that is how you hide likes on Threads. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.